UNICEF has initiated a program to promote the professionalization of manual drilling in Africa. This program is designed to increase access to safe water in rural areas and help countries to reach the MDGs. Supporting UNICEF with technical assistance in this effort are Enterprise Works Vita and Practica Foundation. Achieving the MDGs for water supply in sub-Saharan Africa is a daunting task because the magnitude of the problem is ever increasing. In sub-Saharan Africa, the number of people without access to clean water actually increased by 32 million people between 1990 and 2006, despite massive investments in the sector. The burden of collecting water in Africa falls mostly on women and children, who often must travel long distances to fetch water.
In the current situation, the United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, considers that hand-drilled or low-cost boreholes constitute an important priority to achieve the Millennium Development Goals. Why? Because in Niger, the levels of access to water and sanitation are very low. And in order to increase these rates, it is necessary to go to the communities where the potential exists to use low-cost technologies. These communities often have fewer than 250 people.
Although Niger is experimenting with the combination of rope pumps and manually drilled wells for small communities, all types of pumps can be used on manually drilled wells. Once completed, a manually drilled well is the same as a well drilled by a machine. Creating a professional manual drilling sector in a country. In the next section, we will look in more detail at 4 manual well drilling techniques. Rotosludge is a technique that uses circulating water to remove the cuttings from the hole. The up and down motion of the drill, combined with a partial rotation, cuts into the ground. The cuttings flow up the hollow drilling stem and are removed from the well. Therefore, there is no need to remove the tools to clean out the hole. As the well is drilled deeper, additional pipes are added to the drilling stem. Rotosludge is ideally suited to wells drilled in clay soils to the depths of 30 meters. Hand augering is a technique that is ideally suited to drilling in unconsolidated soils to depths of about 15 meters. It uses different drill bits depending on the soil type. The auger is turned so that the bit cuts into the ground until it is full. Once the bit is full, all the tools are lifted out of the hole and the auger is emptied. As the hole gets deeper, extensions are added to the auger. Once the water table is reached, a specialized auger is used to bale the sand out of the hole using a combination of rotary and up and down motion. Hand augering is often used to start the hole in combination with other techniques. In jetting, a small motorized pump is used to pump water down the hollow drill stem. A rotational and up and down action supplied by the drillers cuts the ground. Jetting is similar to rotosludge in that circulating water is used to bring the cuttings out of the hole. The water jet also provides a cutting action. Jetting is suitable in unconsolidated soils to depths of 30 meters or more. Manual percussion drilling uses a combination of a heavy chisel-like tool to break up the formation and a baler to remove the cuttings. Manual percussion is ideally suited for use in combination with other techniques to get through hard layers. It is suitable for drilling to depths of 30 meters or more, but the progress can be slow and the labor requirements are high. These manual well drilling techniques are each best suited for different drilling conditions, but the end result is a well that is similar to a machine-drilled well, but at a small fraction of the cost. The design of the apron, gravel pack, sanitary seal, drainage channel, and soakaway pits are consistent with the national norms for machine-drilled wells. By creating the local capacity and reducing the costs, it will become easier for individuals and communities to invest in improving their own water supply.